This journey started with the excitement back home, packing dreams, boarding a flight, and heading to Jaipur. From flying above the clouds to landing in the Pink City, meeting the amazing team, and conducting a truly successful CopadoCon conference, every moment felt special. And once the session ended, Jaipur opened its doors. Local streets, iconic places, laughter, and unforgettable memories with friends. This vlog is not just about the conference or a city, it's about the experience. So come along with me from my hometown to Jaipur and relive every moment. Let's get started.
First she will put here, then she will put here, and
I should take care about uncle. We both will be taking care of ourselves because we are married now.
नहीं पता है?
नहीं पता है।
आप कोई लाइफ लाइन लेना चाहेंगी?
हाँ जी।
फोनो फ्रेंड?
ऑडियंस पोल।
ऑडियंस पोल, ठीक है। ऑडियंस पोल लिया इन्होंने।
ऑडियंस ऑप्शन सी।
आप जीतती हैं 7 करोड़।
From my hometown, heading towards Jayaprakash Narayan Airport, Patna, I still remember just 2 years ago when I last came home. This airport was very small, simple, almost a quiet, but today it felt completely different. Bigger, modern, and transformed to a whole new level. Just like a metro city airport. Honestly, I was surprised and proud. Seeing this change made me really happy.
So guys, I've checked into the airport and I'm heading to Gate 2 now. The flight is at 8 o'clock. I have managed to reach on time. Now let's see how other experience is going to be at Patna airport.
From Patna, I reached to Delhi, and that night was too long. Almost 8 hours of waiting at the airport, killing time, catching some rest, and waiting for the next connecting flight to Jaipur.
Basically, the plan is I had come to my hometown and I had come here almost 10 days back, and plan is to go to Jaipur directly from my hometown, which is from Patna to Jaipur. But unfortunately, I never get a direct flight from my hometown to Jaipur. So that is why we had to book it through a Delhi to Jaipur. And that is the reason I have a layoff of almost 8 hours at Delhi airport. So I reached here almost around 10 o'clock in the night. But I need to wait till 5 o'clock to get that another flight to the Jaipur, which is connecting flight. There is a reason that for this delay, and that is Indigo. I cancelled my previous flight because they had cancelled my connecting flight from Delhi to Jaipur. So that is the reason. So there is a CopadoCon Jaipur happening at on this Saturday, which is 13th of December. So that is the whole plan. The whole team is already landed to Jaipur. It's only me who is pending, right? So I'll be joining them tomorrow. And we're going to have lots of fun as well. Make sure you watch this vlog completely to watch this the fun and other activities which I'm going to do as a part of this vlog.
So guys, I'm back to the Airbnb, and everyone's still sleeping, and probably I think I reached 30 minutes 1 hour before. It is around 7 o'clock from the airport to the Airbnb. Now I just made myself a coffee. I ordered milk from Zepto and made a coffee out of it because I wanted to have a good coffee in the early morning. So I got it finally, and now the plan is to go to the Copado office at around 10 o'clock to meet Sesha and other leadership as well. Let's see you there directly.
So guys, we are now already ready for getting for the Copado office. So we are planned to go at around 10 o'clock. The team is completely ready. They're completely ready. And I came morning around 6 o'clock, and you see everyone is dressed up. I'm also matching with Sukesh. And I hope everyone is excited for this, not a trip, the conference, right?
Yeah.
Are you guys excited?
Yeah, we are.
Yes. We're going for the breakfast right now, and the people are having, bad experience with the breakfast. We'll make sure that we're going to have a good breakfast. So that is the main intention right now. So guys, we are already in the car right now, and we all are discussing about which restaurant to go for to have a breakfast. And I think that is the one of the difficult tasks that has become from the morning. The discussion is about that from last trip. So we are still going for that, and everyone are ready. They are, say everyone hi. See, they are looking, completely dressed up, the complete North Indian style, right? So, Sukesh, want to say hi?
Hi, I'm Suku.
That everyone knows from the previous vlog.
Yeah, hi.
Hey, Prithvi.
Hey, hi guys.
Are you enjoying with us?
Yes, I definitely enjoyed a lot yesterday and today also I'm very excited.
He's
Today-
learning a lot also.
Yeah.
What?
He's learning a lot also.
Yeah, learning a lot from you guys.
What kind of learning you're learning? Would you want to specify that?
Few things cannot be shared on social
Villa has
media.
completely changed from yesterday.
Who has changed?
Prithvi.
Prithvi has changed.
Yes.
Okay.
One day he got adjusted completely to the team.
Thank
That's-
God. Thanks to you guys.
That's good to know.
No, thanks to Suku.
Thank you,
good to know.
Suku.
Okay, so we are going to, have good time probably for the whole day, and I'll keep you guys posted on that. Thank you. So,
The next morning, new energy, new excitement, meeting the team again, and we were all pumped up for the day. Because the day started with something special, that is inaugurations of Copado's new office. The vibe, the smile, the excitement. It felt like the perfect start of the Jaipur chapter.
of the office, Aishwarya. You see, we came to this, the CEO office. I mean, if you look at the vibe, it gives completely that, all the big people have meetings here, and one of them is here. Hey Aishwarya, how do you feel?
Hi Prabha, I'm feeling good. So I feel like we have entered the Copado office even before the inauguration, but it feels very good. It's giving great vibes.
Oh, is it not yet inaugurated?
Not yet.
I said already it's inaugurated.
So it's as good as we have inaugurated the office and we have entered.
So guys, we have came back from the Copado office, and now the plan is to go to a few places, and those are Hawa Mahal, Jai Mahal, and City Palace.
City Palace.
And
Hawa Mahal and Jai Mahal anta.
and at the end of the day, we are going to have some shopping as well, which is going to be a street shopping, and then followed by the recce at the RIC
And Lal Mas dinner.
conference. Okay, Hawa Mahal.
Hello.
With the backseat girls.
Yes. So comfortable here. But a lot of shakings. But it's nice, cozy, warm. To go to Hawa Mahal first.
Yes.
Followed by City Palace. Then followed by Jantar Mantar. And then lots and lots of shopping. Stay tuned to see what we have shopped. Okay, Hira. Whom will you imitate?
Who I will have to imitate. I'll imitate Sukku, okay?
It's easy to imitate Sukku.
My same and favorite dialogue of his. First she will put here, then she will put here. And Prithvi is like,
भैया अभी हम जिस गेट से एंट्री कर रहे हैं ये पिंक सिटी का एंट्री गेट है और इसका नाम है न्यू गेट। इसको एंट्री गेट भी बोल सकते हैं और एग्जिट गेट भी बोल सकते हैं। तो उस टाइम पे किंगडम के टाइम पे पिंक सिटी जहाँ पे अभी हम हैं, इसके अलावा शहर के बाहर कुछ भी नहीं हुआ करता था। तो सनसेट होने के बाद वे सारे जो डोर्स हैं ये सिक्योरिटी रीजंस की वजह से क्लोज कर दिए जाते थे और सनराइज होने पे ही ये डोर्स ओपन होते थे। और जो आप देख रहे हैं कलर, इसको हम पिंक सिटी बोलते हैं, बाकी ये एक्चुअल में गेरुआ कलर है जो कि वेलकम कलर माना जाता है। तो उस टाइम पे जब ब्रिटिश प्रिंस जयपुर आए थे तो उनको वेलकम करने के लिए पूरे शहर को गेरुआ कलर किया गया था, जो कि ये ब्रिक्स कलर है, आप देख रहे होंगे। तब से जो है पिंक सिटी का इसको पिंक सिटी के नाम से ही जाना जाता है। और जो आप देख रहे हैं सारे डिजाइन यहाँ पे एक जैसे ही मिलेंगे और एक्सटीरियर आप इस कलर के अलावा दूसरा यूज नहीं कर सकते, और इंटीरियर आप कुछ भी यूज कर सकते हैं।
अच्छा, ये रूल्स है?
हाँ जी, रूल्स है।
इस एरिया में
हाँ जी,
बना रहे हो तो वही
जयपुर डेवलपमेंट अथॉरिटी का अभी ये रूल है कि इसके अलावा आप दूसरा कलर यहाँ पे यूज नहीं कर सकते। और जो पूरा पिंक सिटी बसा हुआ है वो प्लान सिटी है, पूरा स्क्वायर शेप में है। अगर आप यहाँ पे किसी रोड पे गलती कर लेते हैं, किसी क्रॉसिंग पे भूल जाते हैं, तो नेक्स्ट क्रॉसिंग से उस गलती को सुधार सकते हैं। कोई भी रोड्स कहीं पे भी बंद नहीं होती है पिंक सिटी की।
Mukti Bhaiya is very knowledgeable about the Jaipur city, and I think we're going to have a good time. So we have reached Hawa Mahal right now, and we have entered to the gate. क्या बोला सर?
कुछ नहीं बोला।
So we have entered to the main gate.
Take care about one girl. Okay? I'm seriously telling. I should take care about one girl. We both will be taking care of ourselves because we are married now.
No, bro. We will always take care about ourselves. I mean ourselves in this.
Because I'll tell you why. Yeah. The logic how it works is, Aisha will be taking care of Sahana. Okay? You know her, right? She can take care about herself.
By evening, it was time to explore. We headed straight to the one of the Jaipur's more iconic landmark, and that is Hawa Mahal, built in 1799 with 953 small windows. It was designed so that royal women could observe the street life without being seen. No air conditions back then, yet the structure keeps the place naturally cool. Standing here, it truly felt like the history breathing through the architecture.
जो ऊपर का व्यू है थोड़ा सा और अच्छा होगा. Right now it is like this. This is not as expected. Now we are going to take some good pictures here and leave for the next destination.
This is the photo actually. Sahana. From here they will take outside. Bro, that is the cafe. Adgoje.
Where is the cafe?
No, there is a cafe.
That one, yeah.
The tattoo something is there.
Correct. So we should go there.
Yes.
Now we are on the top of Hawa Mahal. Probably we need to go to that cafe that you see there to get the perfect frame picture that we usually click on the front of Hawa Mahal. So let's go there and take the pictures. So right now, guys, we are in Jantar Mantar. It's little late. We managed to enter before 20 minutes, and you see places behind me. It is like this. There are a lot of things which is related to the timings and the zodiac sign. Probably we need a lot of time to get explanation about it. You see the complete structure that you see here is the zodiac sign, and there is a lot of instrument that side which is going to talk about the timings and lots of signs about the milliseconds and everything. So I'll show you while I'm going that side. Okay. So Shravani, what is this place about? Just I entered and I'm a little confused. A lot of things here. So can you explain me what is this exactly?
So basically, this whole place, can I call it a garden? But this whole place was built by the understanding of a king who was very knowledgeable in astronomical and celestial bodies.
Okay.
So basically, every structure over here is like a huge instrument to be able to identify maybe the time of the day or the movement of the earth and other planets, or even how a certain graha or zodiac signs, basically how any of them work.
So basically, in a nutshell, the complete structure whatever you see is replaced by a watch.
Yes. So
As
one of the
today's-
most famous instruments over here is a sundial.
Okay.
So if you come over here in the morning time, we chose the wrong time to come over here, but
Okay.
if you come in the morning,
nice.
we will be able to see with the sun's movement,
Okay.
as and when the shadow falls on that particular sundial, you'll be able to precisely identify what time second it is.
So king will be standing there.
No, from there shadow will come. Okay, this guy is like this guy is like
Waterfall. So bad.
Hey, what you heard? All bad things you'll hear.
Hello, he verified ChatGPT.
देखने को मिलता है कि नहीं. वहाँ पे छुपी है शाहाना. See if I can zoom. See? वहाँ पे छुपी है. वो उधर खोज रहा है. खोज रहा है पूरा. दो लोग काफी अच्छे प्लेयर हैं हमारी टीम में जो.
And the next morning was the D-Day, or you can also say as a conference day. From early hours, everything moved fast. Sessions, people, energy, and I had an opportunity to cover the entire conference as an experience vlog. Capturing moments, emotions behind the scenes, I was excited, focused, and gave it all my absolute best to capture this video.
Okay, so guys, I think it is next morning and today is the D-Day and things has been started. It is already, the registration is started. You see the people here for the welcome. They have getting ready for the things and I will quickly show you the registration area, that how it is going to look like. We have made sure everything is, you know, properly arranged and ready for the day. So let me show you the registration. So guys, right now I'm in the convention hall and this is where the keynote speaker is going to happen, and right now you see it's completely empty. This is going to be filled with the 500 people right after half an hour, because people are still waiting at registration area. They'll just rush here after the breakfast and everyone is just getting ready. The small startup, I mean dry run, everything they are happening at the stage that you see here. There's a Christy, there is everyone waiting there. Okay. Right, we have a big convention hall where this is for the breakfast and the after event party that we'll be having. So you can see the complete room. It is very big. Right? So probably this tables that you see, it will be removed in the evening and we'll convert into even after party stages. Okay. Food, bro. How is the food?
It's very good.
So you have completed the whole plate.
It's tasty. I'm eagerly craving to have my best dessert. I have halwa and gulab jamun.
And what is the other best dish that you want to have it here?
Halwa and gulab jamun. Those are like deadly combo. So guys, right now we are sitting in the auditorium and the demo jam is going to happen. So quickly, if I'll tell you what is demo jam means. So there were already 3 hackathon problem statement which was given to the team, and those presentations is going to happen in front of all the audience. Okay, we are going to vote it live. Whoever is going to get the more vote will be the winner, and they're going to get 1 lakh rupees. So this is going to be interesting. So, Hira?
Hi. So we are waiting for the demo jam. We are going to experience it for the first time, since before for all the Copado sessions we were inside the breakout rooms. So I'm excited for it.
I'm also. I think everyone is inside the room. Excited, Monica?
Super excited. Let's see who's the
What about you guys? Why are you so shocked?
So guys, today we are on the last day of the Jaipur, and the event was really successful. And right now we are waiting for the lunch. We already ordered on Zomato.
Since most of our friends were from South India, Jaipur food became daily discussion. Every meal came with the same question: what are we eating next? Spicy cravings, comfort food searches, and a lot of food related stress, but also a lot of laughter.
There was a new team member added to the team, and he played Mafia for the first time. Okay, so let me ask him his experience. Did he actually enjoy the game or not? So hey Prithvi.
Hello.
So
Hi guys.
did you know this game before?
No, I was not aware about this game. And forgot what was he. So yeah, it was very fun.
Yeah.
Is what I want to say.
So I think the beauty of the game lies in forgetting the things.
Nice cover up. Nice cover up, Pawan.
That's right. I mean, say if you play in a right manner, no, it will be little boring. So always that the funny factor is important. The funny factor is important. Okay, Sana, how did you enjoy the game?
No, I forgot the game with this cover drive now completely.
Okay, fine. Waiting for the biryani. I'm a little more hungry now. We'll directly jump on the biryani once it comes.
Where are we going today?
Huh?
Where are we going today?
We are going nowhere. We don't have any idea where we are going. One thing is clear, we are going to railway station.
Why?
Yeah, to drop me.
Where are you going? Sorry?
So guys, we are ready to go out again. The whole team is ready, and Sukesh is still wearing the shoe. You can see there, and everyone is getting inside the car. We called the same, the driver that we had yesterday as well. His name is Muktiana, and he's really good. He has lots of information about the Jaipur, and that is something we're enjoying it a lot. So let's show you that what else that we're going to explore. Okay.
बट बोला आपने और वो पहचान लेंगे कि आप बाहर से हैं तो वो 5 गुना दाम बताएंगे तो उस हिसाब से आपको बार्गेन करना पड़ेगा.
As the trip was coming to an end, we did what every Jaipur trip demands: shopping, lots of jutis, souvenirs, gift for friends, families, and loved ones. Before dropping Aishu at Jaipur railway station, we went for the shopping, and since you know Aishwarya is usually a planner, the decision maker of our trip, and this time she decided to extend the trip as well to some of the other places of north like Agra, Varanasi, and more adventurous places.
Bye. Bye, Shravani.
Bye bye.
Bye, Pawan.
Bye.
Bye, bye, bye. Reach safely, yeah. Don't do too much of stuff. Yes.
After saying goodbye to Aishwarya, we didn't stop yet. Curiosity took us to Mauj Mahal, a place we discovered through some interesting Google Maps photos.
We are going to the Mauj Mahal.
Mauj Mahal.
We have almost 8 activities to cover. We have just entered, and I think it is going to be a great experience. We have total 8 activities. We'll see what are those. क्या है ये?
Mirror में clearly visible where mirror is there, where it's not there. They're not clean this office.
They're not clean, no, Sana?
They're not cleaned it.
Yeah, it's not good.
Let's
Oh, this is horror image. अभी मुझे मौका मिला है केपी स्पेस से बैठने के साथ। आप देख सकते हैं हमारे पास अमिताभ बच्चन जी है और यहाँ पे और सीट अवेलेबल है। मैं यहाँ पे जाके बैठ के 7 करोड़ का क्वेश्चन का आंसर देने वाला हूँ। आ जाइए।
All the best, Pawan.
क्वेश्चन तो काफ़ी डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है। ऑप्शंस है A, B, C, D, कबड्डी, वॉलीबॉल, खो खो एंड बास्केटबॉल।
अभी आपके आंसर बिल्कुल गलत है। प्लीज आ जाइए इधर।
हमारी श्रावणी ने हॉट सीट जीत लिया है और बैठी है सामने अमिताभ बच्चन के, जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं। चलिए देखते हैं उसका क्वेश्चन क्या है श्रावणी का। श्रावणी जी, आपका क्वेश्चन क्या है, पढ़ के बताइएगा थोड़ा।
सर्कल स्टाइल और स्टैंडर्ड स्टाइल आर 2 वेरिएंट्स ऑफ विच स्पोर्ट?
इसका आंसर आपको पता है? नहीं पता है?
नहीं पता है।
आप कोई लाइफ लाइन लेना चाहेंगी?
हाँ जी।
फोन ऑफ फ्रेंड?
ऑडियंस पोल।
ऑडियंस पोल, ठीक है। ऑडियंस पोल लिया इन्होंने।
ऑडियंस पोल। वॉलीबॉल।
ओके, तो ऑप्शन बी लॉक किया जाए।
ऑप्शन बी
लॉक किया जाए।
यस।
ओके, कंप्यूटर जी ऑप्शन बी को लॉक कीजिए। चिंग 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 चिंग।
ऑप्शन सी।
आप जीतती हैं 7 करोड़।
सही।
So guys, finally we are into the boarding bus and we waited for this for almost 4 hours. And there's lots of incident has happened on the airport which was completely unexpected. So it was basically somebody else has checked in place of my place on my ticket. So we had to wait for that. They went back and they captured that patient. Sorry, what was that?
Passenger.
That passenger and they get it back. So now we'll get board to the flight.
Wait, 150. They are calling.
How are you looking, bro, in that?